Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to turn two of the Dollar Tree little glass bowls into a Christmas ornament lamp for my kitchen. This turned out so cute and it was so fun to put together. So first, I just removed the tags from the clear glass bowls. For the top of the ornament, I'm using their little party, shot glasses from the Dollar Tree that are plastic. It's the perfect size. And I'm going to frost mine with some of this frosting spray by Rust-Oleum. And you could do this with like the sea glass or different colors of it too if you wanted. But I wanted to frost the glass so that you can't like see directly through it. And then I'm also going to just poke some holes in the sides of the shot glass with the heat from my heat gun so that I can string a hanger in there for the top of the ornament. And I wanted mine to be metallic, so I just sprayed it with some silver spray paint. Now to light it up, to make it a lamp, I'm going to use some of Dollar Tree's battery operated lights, and I'm just using the white ones. Just popping some batteries in there. This is a package of 10 of them for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And what I want to do is light up the entire ornament with this. To hide the cords and to keep the lights like exactly where I want them, I'm just using some of the Dollar Tree polyfill. You could always use some polyfill from an old pillow as well. And I want to make sure that there's enough lights that it lights up the entire ornament. So I kind of split them up with the bottom and the top, about half in each one. And then I kind of like rearranged them. I wanted most of the light to be on the front or the sides where you're going to be able to see it and less on the back. So I did rearrange it a little bit. To put it together, you're going to need a really strong glue like E6000, or I used Gorilla Glue Clear Grip. And then I just lay the other bowl right on top, rim to rim, making sure I clean up any of the glue that might have seeped out. For the hanger, I'm just using some Dollar Tree ribbon, like a red and white snowflake pattern. I think that would be really pretty. And I want to add like some little pops of red and green here for the Christmas feel of this ornament. And again, you can make yours any color you want to do. If you want to make your own tent, you can mix some Mod Podge together with some acrylic paint. The only thing with that, you might have to sponge it on to avoid any like brush strokes in that and go on the inside of the glass. I just attached the top of the ornament with some hot glue. And then for where the two bowls come together, I'm going to decorate mine with some of that red diamond mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It's going to give it another touch of red. It's going to cover up the seam between the two bowls and just provides another little decorative surface. So I just use hot glue to attach that all the way around. And as you can see, I just left the battery pack out so I can turn it on and off or change the batteries. I'm just going to hide it behind the lamp. And then for the greenery, I just picked up a little greenery pick from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to borrow some of the greenery from that. It's a really easy way to do it. They had some little flocked greenery. So I picked up a couple pieces of those, and I'm just going to attach those on the top of my ornament with some hot glue. And they also had some little snowy berries on here too, and I think that would be a perfect final touch to this ornament lamp. It's the perfect size to go on my kitchen counter. This is how it looks during the day, and this is how it looks lit up. It is so fun, and I had so much fun making this.